wants the people of Judah to rebuild the temple of God. He wants to rebuild His house. But you know what the people of Judah have? They have an attitude that what we call the manana habit. Right? When they say, in verse 2, the time has not yet come for the Lord's house to be built. There's a responsibility that God has given to them, but still they don't want to work for it because they say that the time of the Lord that His house to be built is not yet come. Next time na lang, sabi nila. Hindi muna ngayon. Hindi muna ako gagawa sa gawain ng Diyos. Next time na lang. Anyway, marami pang time, sabi nila. They have this kind of attitude, what we call the manana habit. And God spake through prophet Haggai saying, it is time then to be living in your paneled houses while this house remains ruined. Titira ba kayo sa magaganda niyong bahay? Linisin niyo yung magaganda niyong bahay tapos yung templo ng Diyos ay hindi pa tapos? Natutulog kayo sa magaganda niyong bahay tapos yung templo ng Diyos ay hindi pa natapos? To us Christians, are we just comfortable sleeping in our houses, Mondays to Saturdays, and then in the church? Mainit, tumutulog, masikip. It is a challenge for us, brethren, to see and emphasize the priorities in life as Christians. They have not prioritized the Word of God. God said, now the Lord Almighty says, give careful thought to your ways. You have planted, but harvested a little. You have eat, but never have enough. You drink, but never have fill. You put clothes, but are not warm. You earn wages, but only to put them in purse with holes in it. Hindi ba tayo nagtataka kahit marami tayong pera? Bakit hindi natin masustain yung pangangailangan natin sa buhay? Even rich people, kahit marami silang pera, kahit mayaman sila, meron sila lahat sa kanilang buhay, pero bakit kaya may kulang pa rin sa buhay nila? Tingnan mo yung mga mayayaman na mga tao, na may mga anak, who has never been give their time to their children. Meron silang pera, kaya nilang bayaran lahat ng tao pang mag-alaga sa kanilang anak. Pero hindi, may kulang pa rin. Hindi nila naibigay.